Hey guys, so I've got a quick video on a 2010 Nissan Maxima. It's got the service engine soon light on with the fault code P2a00 air fuel sensor 1 bank 1. So this car came from a different repair shop. They've already replaced the bank 1 upstream oxygen sensor, which is the firewall side upstream oxygen sensor. Blue wire right there, and we checked it. They used the right sensor. It's the OE style sensor. The sensor is working fine. Usually on these cars, if that same code comes on after a sensor, there's a couple of different other possibilities. One, there's a chance of a vacuum leak. We put a smoke test on it. There's no vacuum leaks. There is a chance of an exhaust leak. On these cars is notorious for the rivets on the catalytic converter to get rusted, and once they get rusted, they start leaking just enough not to, you won't hear any exhaust leaks. All you will hear, it'll just throw the engine light on. Usually does it more when it's cold outside. Once it warms up, then it doesn't do it that much. There's always possibility of wiring damage. We did check the wiring, everything was working fine. Did the wiggle test, checked the continuity, everything was fine from the computer. So the next step was we did the data stream on all 4 sensors. So I'm going to do air fuel bank 1, bank 2, bank, here we go. Oops, my bad. 1, 2. There we go. Gonna pull the graph on all 4. If you can see, this is the upstream bank 1. That's the one that was replaced. This is bank 2. This is downstream bank 1. This is downstream bank 2. If you look at the graph, there's play in there. Over here too. Over here too, the waveform looks fine. But it's pretty much flatlined over here. So in very rare cases, even though it says it's a problem with the circuit on the bank 1 sensor 1, it's caused by the bank 1 sensor 2. So this is just a diagnostics video. There's a lot of videos that show you how to change the sensors. The bottom sensor is not that hard to replace. Bank 1 is the firewall side, and the downstream sensor is the one after the catalytic converter. You can see still running and basically flatlined. If you look over here, there is a slight waveform over here too. Nothing over here. All right, so hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching this video. If this helped you, please support, like, and subscribe. Thank you.